Hello students, today we will solve more questions on sentence coding, decoding. It is very important for exam point of view, so we are here to solve more questions so that we are able to see what are more types of questions that could come in exam. So here we have first question. It says, if the word construction is coded as this, then what would be the code of destruction? So here we have to identify the pattern and apply that pattern here in this question. Okay, so what we learned in our previous slides is that we have to first write down the respective numbers of these questions, this word, and then see what are the relations here and here. So let us first write it down. Here it says C. We know C is 3 and E is 5. So from 3 to 5 we went plus 2. Okay, so now O is 15. M is 13, we went minus 2. N is 14, P is 16, we went plus 2. S is 19, Q is 17, we went minus 2. So this pattern is now pretty clear. It goes like this: plus 2, minus 2, plus 2, minus 2. You can pick out any word. Let's say O for that matter. O is 15 and here we have Q. Q is 17, so plus 2. N is 14 and N is 14. So here from here O to Q, 15 to 17, we went plus 2. So from N to L we have to go minus 2. What is N? We know N is 14 and I. J, we know J, K, L. How did we remember? With the word majority, right? We know 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. L comes after J. J, K, L. This is 12. This is 14. We went minus 2. So it is clear we have to go plus 2, minus 2, plus 2. Write this here. Starting from plus 2. Plus 2, minus 2, plus 2, minus 2, plus 2, minus 2, plus 2, minus 2, plus 2, minus 2 and plus 2. D plus 2, F, E minus 2, C, S plus 2, S, T, U. Okay, now T minus 2, we have R. R plus 2, we go to T. U minus 2, we go to S. C plus 2, we go to E. T minus 2, again R. I plus 2, this is I plus 2. I, J, K. Okay, now O minus 2, M. N plus 2, P. So this is now coded as this. Now second type of questions, easy. If the word easy is coded in this language, then what is the code for beam? What we have to do first, write it out. This we know is plus 5. This is 1. This is 19 and this is 25. Majority. So we went from 5. Here we have 5. Here we have 1. 5 is written as 5. 1 is written as 1. But 19 is written as 1 and 25 is written as 7. What is the relation? You can see the relation. I can see 5 is as it is 5. 1 is as it is 1. But the relation between 19 and 1 we can see is of add the number of digit. 1 plus 9 gives 10 and the first digit of 10 is 1. Here we have written that. 2 plus 5 is 7. Here we have 7. So again apply this. 2, 5, 1 and what is M? M is 13. So here 2, 5, 1, 1 plus 3, 4. This is the code. Now we have another type of question, special. So let us see. Write it first. 19, 16, 5, 3, 9, 1 and I, J, K, L, 12. Okay. What is the relation between this number? Now we can see this. There are 7 digits and here we have 2 digits. There are 7 alphabets and 2 digits. What could be the probable relation? Now this relation cannot be of decoding this and writing it one by one. No, it cannot be like that because there are 7 and now here we only have 2. So it must be of addition, subtraction, either adding all the numbers, subtracting all the numbers, or dividing or multiplying. There is some kind of that relation. First let us try and guess it out through adding. Now if we add, like see, 19 plus 16 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 1 plus 12, we can see 19 plus 16 gives 35, right? 35 plus 5, 40, 43, 52, 53 and 65. Addition of all the respective numbers. So now we don't have space here. Let's write it here. Connect. What are the respective number? 3, 15, 14, 14, 5, 3 and 20. Okay. Let's add this. 3 plus 5, 18, 15, sorry, 3 plus 15, 18, 18 plus 14, 32, 32 plus 14, 46, 51, 54, 64, 74. So here it is 74. Okay. Now let us see another type of question. Now this question is based on sentence coding, decoding. In exams like SSC, CHL or any logical reasoning part, what they want to test is how capable of you are using your mind on the spot. They are not interested in giving you technical questions and knowing how much you know. No, they just want to know how fast you can use your brain and how correctly you can use your brain. So they give you questions which will puzzle your mind at the moment and it will try to waste your time, but how fast you use your mind and how you are able to solve this question in hardly 1 minute, max to max 1 minute, otherwise you have only 45 seconds or 30 seconds in solving the question. So this question here we have is Royal Monarch Regal is written as A hash asterisk, Regal Legacy Gold is written as asterisk percentage question mark, Hope Life Gold is written as percentage and dollar, Regal Monarch is moral is written as hash asterisk and for all. Okay, so now the question they are asking is what is the code for Regal and what is hash here. Okay, this is the question they are asking. So now we have to solve this as soon as possible. So what we have learned in our previous slides is that we have to just cut out what we've got common. Let us select this two. Do we have anything in common? Royal Monarch, Regal, Legacy Gold. So we have Regal common. What is common in these two? Asterisk. So Regal is asterisk, done. So now this question is done. Regal. Now we have to find hash. Where are hash present? In these two lines sentences hash are present, so we have to check out these two sentences only. What common we have? Now we know Regal is asterisk already. We know this by solving the first part. So now what is common? Monarch is common. What is common between two? Hash. So hash is monarch. You have to solve these questions this fast. First see the question and then go on to reading the other part. First, when there are parts of the questions, first see those parts and then go on to read the question. Okay. Now we'll solve another question. Okay. So your question is purpose is in a certain language written as UPPRSOE. What will you write water in the same language? And if meander in a certain language is written as 4515459, then what will you write? Mathematician in the same language. Okay, these are the questions. We have to solve it as soon as possible. So as soon as you see this kind of thing, then first find out that can you find out easily the relation between them? No, here we know P is 16 and here it is 21, 16, 21 plus 4. Then you know this as 21, P as 16 minus 4. Okay, got it. But R is here as P. So now if P is U, then how come R is P? So this pattern will not apply. Now let us see. What we are able to see is that these letters are only rearranged. So we have to find out what is the rearrangement done. I am able to see here that what they have done is they have made pair of 2 and then reverse those pair. PU, UP, RP, PR, OS, SO and E as it is. So reverse it. Make pair of 2 and reverses. AW, ET and R is alone. Okay. Now meander, another question. We have to solve it as soon as possible. So meander, what they have done, it is 13. They have written in this format. So first I will write the numbers. When you can see there is number relation, you go on to write its respective numbering first. 3, 5, 1, 14, 4, 5 and 18. What is 4? 1 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 4, 5, 4, 5, 1 plus 8, 9. Okay, so they have written all the respective numbers. 1-digit numbers are written as it is and 2-digit numbers are, the digits are added. So what is this? 13, 1, 20. What is H? 8. E is 5. M is 13. 1, 20. What is I? 9. Mathematician, it is C, guys. 3. What is I again? 9, 1 and 14. So what is the thing? 2-digit number will be added. 4, 1, 2, 8, 5, 4, 1, 2, 9, 3, 9, 1, 5. This is the code. Okay. So what I am trying to say here is it does not depend upon how you are able to get the trick. It depends upon how fast you are able to solve. So you always have to revise each and every question, and before going to attempt the exam you should be able to do all types of question at least twice.